It's me again, Megan, and I'm with
Liz here, and today we're gonna show you 5 types of alcoholic coconut mixtures. Simple citrus and coconut cocktail. These are the ingredients. 5 ounces of vodka, 2 shots of lime juice, 2 shots of lemon juice, coconut water, ice, and lemon slices.
kita pa na nagkato ng mercadories na igana na nila. Ianta na dito.
So first step is 5 shots of vodka. Five shots of vodka.
Sunod.
Next is 2 shots of
Lime juice.
lime juice. So 2 shots of lemon juice. Okay. So pakitain niyo og skills sa imong pag-mix.
Inana gid sa kamutis, inana tulo dire, usa dire. Inana.
Nakoy nakita sa YouTube nga kana karing sa kasaka nila mag-style.
Ay, lahi na si kanir nimo.
Ah, sa kanir.
Oh, ano ni mo man eh.
So,
Ay, singana ni sa. Lain pang lawas mo.
main ingredient, which is buko juice.
Hindi siya pwede patis or suka.
So, here we have our simple citrus and coconut cocktails.
Cheers, please.
Piña Verde. So the ingredients for this are 5 shots of vodka, 1 shot of pineapple juice, 2 shots of coconut juice, 1 shot of lemon juice, and of course, ice. So let's start with our vodka.
Good news.
So next is our pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice.
So 1 shot. Our coconut juice. We're gonna need 1 shot for this, and up to na shot. So
Mga 32 seconds sharp. So, nanghanan na to.
okay na po na. Putang na sa glass. Coconut mojito. Ingredients for this is, of course, we have our coconut juice. Next is our lemon. Of course, again, mojito. My favorite. Next is 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt. And last but not the least, ice. So, yes, Liz.
Kuhaan siya baboy is no, marinate na ta.
Hello ka, amazing.
Diba? Kasi amazing, no?
Bin-
Each.
1 tablespoon of salt. Sumrag na pagbaan ako din napitan mo kung sa lasa ani.
Okay.
And next is our coconut juice.
Coconut juice.
So 1 shot nga mojitos per glass. So this is our coconut mojito. King Coconut Cocktail. Ang ingredients para ani is of course vodka. Sunod sa itong vodka is coconut water, Gatorade, lemon, and sugar. Of course, napod ato ang ice. So, partner, do the honors. 1 tablespoon sugar. Coconut water. So, mag-add na diri og 1 shot na coconut water. 1 shot per glass. Hindi kay color mo. Wow. Ang vodka. So,
Pila ka shots na?
1 shot
Ano siya?
vodka per glass. So, ito siya i-add din here.
Coconut.
This is
Cocktail.
pink coconut cocktail. Coco Loco. So, the ingredients for this is vodka, coconut water, mojitos, lemon, and ice. Vodka. Ito siya butangan og 1 shot na vodka per glass. Murag muna siya pinakaisog nga atong mojitos. Sige, go. Okay, so ikay ko ano pa our coconut water. So, ato po na siyang butangan o 1 shot per glass. Coco Loco mixture. So, cheers for the last drink. So, since we're already done mixing all the alcoholic drinks, we're gonna rate everything that we've mixed. So, from least to the most favorite. So, the least favorite is Piña Verde, Coco Loco, Simple Citrus, and Coconut Cocktail. And my 2 favorites, Coconut Mojitos and King Coconut Cocktail.
So ako ni ganahan kay mao nga hapon Piña Verde kay parat kayo. Next is Coco Loco. Kung sabot isog. Ang coconut mojito. Hindi kayo ko ma-enjoy ito. And simple citrus katong na lime juice. And katong na Gatorade. May pinaka the best. Kung ma-recommend.